From visitmysmokies.com, it's the first Funcast for the month of March, and I'm your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Paul Poteet. This is going to be one of our more tasty episodes that we've had in a while. The fact that it is the month of March means that it's the month for Cheese Fest, which is presented by the Rocky Top Wine Trail. Every winery along the trail is offering a specific type of cheese. You've got to be 21 and older to enjoy the wine and the cider, but anyone can enjoy the cheese. They do have various types of cheese at the different wineries. Mountain Valley Winery has pimento. Apple Barn Winery is featuring black pepper. Apple Barn Cider House features buttermilk. Hillside Winery has fiery fiesta. And there's a garden blend waiting for you at Mill Bridge Winery. Do you smell that? Do you smell what the Chuck is cooking? Yes, it's Chuck Wagon fun this weekend through Sunday along Wares Valley Road at 405 Wares Valley Road. Chuck Wagons will be gathering at Clayboss Campground. It's an outdoor cooking event. It looks like the weather's going to be pretty good for it on Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, early American Chuck Wagons fed the hungry cowboys on the open prairies during the cattle drives. Okay, let's continue this tasty theme that we've got going and check out a recent story from the travel tips section of visitmysmokies.com. It's where to find the best Smoky Mountain fudge. You know, the Fudgery has been dedicated to serving the best fudge for more than 25 years. They're right there in the heart of the Smokies at the Island and Pigeon Forge. 12 different flavors to choose from. Rocky Road to chocolate peanut butter and everything in between. And, of course, there's the Old Mill Candy Kitchen. You ever tried that before? They've got incredible desserts, all made in-house, including fudge. Flavors, vanilla and chocolate, the traditional. Chocolate walnut fudge. And they make other candies, too. Famous bear paws. Before you enjoy dessert, maybe you want to just eat while you're right there at the Old Mill Restaurant or the Old Mill Pottery House Cafe. And this sweet-looking building, it's the home to Farmhouse Sweets Candy Kitchen, a local shop on the Parkway in Pigeon Forge. They've got fudge, they've got chocolate truffles and ice cream for those warm days on your vacations in the mountains. I've got some, warm days right now, still on the 7-day forecast. After the storms of Friday, looks awfully nice for both Saturday and Sunday. A little milder yet again on Sunday. We warm back into the 60s. Then back to the 70s. Monday looks like the most awesome day of the next several. Tuesday's probably not going to be bad either for outdoor activities. Maybe a little bit cloudier and a small shower chance. And then clouds. We're back down into the 50s Wednesday. Our next biggest rain chance would then be Thursday. And that's probably going to usher in a period of time where temperatures will be near or even below normal. Yes, that can happen. Sometimes we've had a lot of above normal temperatures lately when people have been coming to visitmysmokies.com.